WorkSafe Integrated Safe System of Work, ISSOW, is a specially developed tool created that helps you to manage and control potentially hazardous work activities.
It can be customized to suit your requirements, accessible through any device, for example the computer, tablet or mobile phone. Let me show you a quick tour of our WorkSafe solution. We begin with login by using the given username and password. First of all, you will see the WorkSafe Navigator, which the user can access to any of the key module of the application either from the icons or from the taskbar at the top. The three key functional modules are, first, the Task Risk Assessment, TRA, followed by the Permit to Work, PTW, then Energy Isolation. These modules are linked, and you will have full visibility of the status of each job. It's easier to access and improve the collaboration of the team. Let's start exploring further the system by clicking into the Task Risk Assessment module or TRA. From here we have the TRA Navigator to provide an overview of the process involved. You can start with the draft. The arrows show the subsequent process like submitted, confirmed ALARP, validation, issuance, and acceptance or suspended. The system is designed to ensure that you won't miss or skip any of the process to ensure compliance. All the records will be kept in the cloud-based system, which you can retrieve and work on it when you are on the move. By clicking the TRA draft, you will see a draft TRA that have the TRA number, the location of the TRA is taking place, title of the job, the status, TRA level 1 or 2, work order number and whether it has a permit or required a permit. By selecting the TRA, you will see the summary including the planned start date and end date. Let's take a further detailed look of this draft TRA. You can specify the area title and description of the job. The status information will be automatically populated. Then add a planned start date and end date, and we can scroll down to add in the plan equipment and fill in the task risk assessment team. Now you can start to carry out the task risk assessment digitally instead of manual system. This job has 3 key activity steps, and we can go one by one. Let's take a quick look at the first one. This job involves a grinder, so the first hazard identified will be vibration. There are a few control added to this hazard. Again, high noise level will be involved here. A series of control can be put in place to mitigate the risk. You can also attach any reference material like the JHA document, or even service manual in this application. We can customize all the hazard icon and naming to fit your operation standards. Compared to the normal paper-based method, the application make it simple, so more focus and time to spend to bring risk lower, and checking on the environment. Everyone in the team will have a copy of this, and knowing the status of the subsequent process steps. Next, let's take a look at the Permit to Work or PTW. It works exactly the same as the TRA Navigator. You can easily see the status of each permit and have easy access to any of them. Let's view the draft we have here. It shows the list of draft PTW with permits number, the location with title and work order number. Let's take the summary of this Permit to Work. This sample permit is meant for hot work naked flame. This job did not require any plant equipment, so nothing is displayed here. The start and end date are auto-populated from the TRA. We can add the supervision level, and how frequent the site need to be visited, or if it required continuous supervision. Let's take a look at further details of the draft PTW. It will provide further information related to this PTW. We can also add any other permit that is related here. A series of permit that related to that area will be displayed. Choose if the permit is applicable to this task. Just select and add in. You can add person name that they need to be aware in the next tab. You need to spell out the certificate that is required to perform this task, and then save the permit. The permit will then we send for review and approval digitally in the system. The system also allows you to view the status and progress real time. The energy isolation works the same as both TRA and PTW. They are fully integrated, so you just need to key in common information once that save a lot of time. Similarly, with TRA and PTW, energy isolation has its own navigator. You can easily see the status of each process, component, and have easy access to any of them. Let's view the draft we have here. It shows the list of draft ICCs with ICC number, the description, status, permits, facility, and so on. The ICC number are automatically generated. Let's view the summary. It's having information on any related permits, the history, and document related to this energy isolation. Let's view the detail of this draft energy isolation. It will provide further information related to this draft. It will also show any other related documents either from TRA or PTW. You may add if it require electrical or mechanical isolation information, and any other details such as DFPVs, lockout box name, monitoring isolation, reason of extension, and reference materials related to this ICC. All changes will be captured in the audit trail. Contact us now for a demo. Thank you.